This is 8239 in Grand Floridian, Disney. I am all the way down the hallway. You can't get much farther down than I am. This is a 2-queen room, resort view. As you come in on the right, you'll see a very large vanity with a big bench, huge mirror. There are some outlets right here for you as well. To my left is a large bathroom, 2 sinks, towels underneath. Here are your amenities. We have a sliding barn door for privacy. The toilet and the shower are in one room. The fan will come on. And you will see, this is the shower head. And of course the amenities on the wall. Come off before the fan comes on. And as we come in, 2 nice queen size beds, plenty of room underneath to store your luggage once you unpack, because these drawers are very deep. You can 100% unpack this to my elbow. Over here you have your closet, extra pillows, hanging, light comes on, robes. This side we have our safe, a steamer, and this is actually where the hairdryer is, and it's a good one. So it's not in the bathroom like you think it is. We have more outlets here, as well as bed lamps. You just pull these out and it comes on. Again, plenty of room under here to put things, under here to put things, so you can be nice and tidy in your room. Drawers, 2 of those. You also see, talks about dining. You can also do this in your My Disney experience. Other information about phone calls. The lights all have switches. This bed does come out. Basically, it just pulls down on top. I'm not going to do it because it's just me, but it's super easy. There's instructions on how to do it. There is a Hey Disney in here. Nice little table that does move. So if you need to move it around while you're sitting on the couch because you need to work or eat, you're welcome to do that. More outlets over here. And of course the vanity, you could set up a laptop there and make that a workstation if you need to. This is our view. We are right behind Narcosis. Do have a nice big balcony. It is kind of hot right now though, but it is a very large balcony. If you would want to sit out here, you could do so. This is the Boca Chica building. We're going to keep this closed because it helps with the air conditioning. So yeah, 2 queen, you can see the subtleness to Mary Poppins. It's not in your face, which I love. I think this is a beautiful room. Little cooler. And of course you can control your temperature here.